Welcome to Steph and Mannie Project Pikachu again. Our next upgrade is going to be a part that came from DNA motoring. Keeping it in the budget range, this is probably the cheapest one you can buy on eBay currently. So give them a follow and check them out. This is our next upgrade on our Project Pikachu car. This is exhaust system from the Catback. Paid about around $110. So I'll open the box up and let you guys check it out. Here's the exhaust out of the box so far. Still bubble wrap. I'll take that off and then give you guys a look what it looks like and let you hear the sound before and after. Alright, there's the system out of the box. Comes with the gaskets and bolts. There's the tail end, the muffler part, and the other part. So hopefully this won't be a long process. Still gotta work tonight. Alright, we finally got the exhaust installed. As you can see, I wore goggles so I didn't get no debris or rust in my eyes. It ended up being more work than normal. I had to change out the flex pipe on it because it was rotted out. So it was more of a problem than I knew down there. But I'm glad I was able to find out there was more work that needed to be done. Ended up getting the flex pipe at the local shop and installed everything. Just got done installing everything. Alright, I'll show you guys what it looked like. Alright, there's a new flex pipe that I installed. And there goes the exhaust. I'll get a longer shot. There's the muffler. The only problem I really not too fond of is that the exhaust kind of touches the rear bumper a little bit. Don't know if that's going to end up being a problem or not. If it does, I'll end up trimming a little bit of it. So, but we'll find out. Also, I did repair. There's a heat shield rattle, and I'll show you guys how I repaired those problems. I'll show you the one by the muffler. As you can see, it was rotted out, and I ended up putting a washer there, and it ended up working pretty good. You guys can see the other one right there, and there's another one, and there's one over there. As you can tell, there was a couple of them that needed repair. There's a long shot of the exhaust. Also wipe the exhaust down with alcohol to take any fingerprints off the exhaust. You definitely don't want no fingerprints on it. Alright. If you guys have any questions about the repairs, please leave questions in the comment and I'll get back to you guys. Alright. And there you go, exhaust is installed. I think it sounds great. Stephanie is laughing about it. But anyways, if you guys want to see more upgrades that I do to it, follow us. Alright, like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and if you got any questions, leave them in the comment. Thank you.